Question 1c, part I. Use the information in the graph to compare the speeds and acceleration of runner A and runner B in the first 10 seconds. All right, so we're looking at, so just get rid of this. So we're looking from 0 to 10 seconds, so this line here, and we're looking at what their speed and acceleration is. Okay, so we know if we look at runner A accelerates for the first 3 seconds and then has the straight line, means constant speed for the next 7 seconds. And then there's a similar situation with runner B, where runner B accelerates for the first 4 seconds and then has constant speed until 10 seconds, so for the next 6 seconds. So we need to talk about that. So first of all, pick one. We'll go with A first. So runner A. So first 3 seconds, they accelerate. And we already know that their acceleration is 9 meters per second. Sorry, 3 meters per second, 3 meters per second as they go from 0 meters per second to 9 meters per second in 3 seconds. So that's the first 3 seconds. And then the next 7 seconds, they are traveling at 9 meters per second. So that's their constant speed there. All right, so for B, let's have a look at B. So B is accelerating in the first 4 seconds. All right, so we'll say accelerates in first 4 seconds. Let's just have a look at what that is. So going from 0 meters per second to 10 meters per second in 4 seconds. So, and the acceleration is equal to 10 over 4, which is equal to 2.5 meters per second, or ms minus 2. And then maintains constant velocity of, so what did they reach? They reached 10 meters per second along here, of 10 meters per second for remaining 6 seconds. All right, so this is a merit answer, and I just want to walk you through the things that are required for a merit. Okay, so you need to make sure that you're comparing them correctly. Okay, so the first A, for the first 3 seconds, you need to say that how long they're accelerating for. So in 3 seconds they're accelerating, and then say what their acceleration is. So 3 meters per second. And then and you may want to actually talk about why that is, going from 0 to 9 meters per second in 3 seconds, and then say that in the next 7 seconds that they have a constant speed of 9 meters per second. So these things that I'm highlighting are the things that you need to have in there for the merit. And then B, they accelerate for 4 seconds and their acceleration is 2 meters per second. So you need to say what their acceleration is, and they maintain a constant velocity of 10 meters per second for the remaining 6 seconds. And it's always good to actually talk through what that means in terms of the graph. So you need that for the merit. And if you have bits and pieces of that, you can get, there's a few achieved marks that you can get in there, based sort of on just not having all of it, but you can still get bits and pieces. So I hope you understand what that means. So if you walk through this again, accelerating, constant speed, you just need to talk about that.